Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two Boxycharm, one's premium and one's the base box. I'm trying to do this again. I already made a video once, so I'm going to try to make it quick. For the premium I got variation 1, and for the base box I got variation 49. Alright, so what I got was the Pretty Vulgar face palette for $32. I have it in here. I gave one to my mom already, and I don't know. It looks like this. Like, it's very pretty. So I already gave my mom hers, and so she likes it. So that's $32. Red, RODIAL, soft focus glow drops. So this will be interesting to try out. I swatched it in my hand already, or on my hand. It's really nice. Looks like that. It's this typical drops, and it smells like a fresh flower scent. Not too bad, but yeah, it's real nice. I can't wait to try this out for $60. So I'm doing the base box first, and that's $25 to get that. So right here pays for a couple boxes. So let's see, the the Quench Serum is $24. I might put this in a giveaway. I got this SYMBIOSIS. This is $93. This is tightening, and it's an eye mask. So I can't wait to try that out. Next is, the sponge I already gave to my mom. It's just the exfoliating sponge for the shower for $20. So that's a pretty good box, I would say. So yeah. And then we're going into the premium box, and this palette is Illuminati Cosmetics X Isa palette for $48, and she looks like that, which I already swatched, and it swatches pretty good. So I'm excited to do a video on this soon. That's $48. The Murad Hydrating Toner. I'm always excited to get toners and sprays. This is $35, so that's pretty expensive for a Murad. Usually is expensive, so that's pretty good. I don't know what this is quite yet. This is $42. Kosas Tint Face Oil Foundation. Oh, it's a foundation. Nice. So I'm excited to try that out. It seemed very light on my hand when I swatched it before. It's just like really light. It says shake wow, but I didn't. It's really light foundation. That's what it looks like. It's very nice and glowy, dewy look. So I'm excited to try that. Maybe with this, maybe it'll be too glowy, but I'm excited to try both. Next is the Fenty Beauty for $20. It comes with a brush that looks like that, so I'm excited to try that out. And this is like a really fine tip. So I'm excited for this. I always like a good eyebrow. Just something for my eyebrows. Next is this Glow to Skin Exfoliating Wipeys. My mom already tried one out and these are really good. These retail for $35. And the last is a Lippy, which I'm excited for, and it's the Laura Geller, and I do like her products. And this retails for $21. I have it on my lips, and I use like different lippies for to work with this pinky color. I think it's so cute. It's like a Barbie pink. I really do enjoy that. And then I have it like mixed with others. So I like to mix my lippies, so I thought this was cute on its own, but I needed a little nude on top of it. So this is pretty nice. It's a matte lipstick, I believe. It says 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. So it's a matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, and so yeah. I'll tally up everything. Wow, okay. So for the premium box, it's 201. For the base box, it's 229, and so 35 you pay for the premium, and 25 you pay for the base box. That's over $60 because that's plus tax. So altogether, what the retail price is $430 for 2 boxes. I think that's a pretty good deal. I do enjoy the base box more than the premium, even though you get an extra product for the premium. I still like the base box better, but you don't have to spend $430 for any of this. You pay like $60 plus and you get pretty decent products. I do enjoy and like everything. So yeah, like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.